So the worst part about being a makeup lover or makeup junkie or someone who just loves makeup is, one, probably how expensive makeup is, and two, cleaning brushes. We all know we should take good care of makeup brushes because they're the ones that apply the actual makeup to our face, and also that you want them to be clean because, one, of the blending colors, foundations, shades, all that jazz, and the fact that they harbor bacteria and other gunk that you don't want to keep reapplying back on your face. But I'll admit it, I've gone, a month or two at a time where I just don't clean my makeup brushes because it's so much work. It takes forever, it's so tedious, and you always have to do it all the time. Like, what? But do not fret, I'm going to show you some products that changed my experience with washing brushes that make it more efficient, better, and just overall easier. So yeah, with that, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm only going to be talking about 3 products today, but there are 3 products that completely changed my life in regards to brush washing, and I've been using them for a long time, some longer than others. But more importantly, because of these products, I actually wash my brushes, and it does it in a way that's super efficient and really good for my brushes. So the first thing I really recommend are brush guards. I have been using the same, this is probably really gross, but the same set of brush guards for six or 7 years. So I bought this one pack, there's still some others scattered around, but this one pack of brush guards for over yeah, 6 or 7 years. And basically what brush guards are is, you see how this beautiful shape of a brush is, and when you wash it sometimes you could lose the shape, hairs fall out, and all that jazz. So after your brush is wet, you actually just slide this brush guard on and it will keep its domed shape, and you can also dry it like this upside down, which is super crucial because you don't want water to leak down into, I forgot what this is called, but like this part of a brush where all the glue is that holds the hairs together. So if water gets down here, the glue loosens up over time and your brush hairs start falling out. I've lost like at least 7 or 10 good brushes to that because I never used to do this when I was like younger, but ever since I've maybe thrown out like 3 or 4 brushes because I've taken such good care of them, because how they get damaged is when you wash them. So brush guards are amazing. They keep the shape, they help so your brushes dry upside down like that. It's amazing. I love them. They're super inexpensive. They're also great for traveling too. I personally don't do this, but you can travel with your brushes like this so they don't get ruined while you travel. This next product changed everything for me, and I only discovered this product about a year and a half ago. So before I found this product, I was using Bath & Body Works hand soap for all my brushes just because it was easy. It was already in my bathroom and I just used it, and since the Bath & Body Works one is super moisturizing, I was like, okay, this will keep my brush hairs conditioned great. But this product completely changed everything. This is the Eli Maya or Eli Maya makeup brush shampoo and conditioner. I have one in unicorn, champagne, and then I have a plain one. But basically, the scents are, you could pass on them, like, they're fun, but it's whatever, the plain one works just as fine. But this formula, holy smoke, it works so amazingly well. All I do is wet the brush, swirl it in here a little bit, and then rinse the brush, and it is so ridiculously clean. This formula is so potent and so strong, yet so conditioning and good for my brushes. But the most important thing is that it's so fast. When I was using like hand soap, it took forever to get all the suds out, and I'd have to wash my brushes a couple times over because hand soap isn't meant to remove makeup. But this removed makeup from my brushes so quickly, and it just works so well. It conditions my brushes, I don't have to worry about that. Keeps my brushes in great shape, but the most important thing is it's clean, and holy crap, it cuts my time down in half. And the very last item is the Sigma Spa Mat. So basically, it's a silicone rubber mat that you put down in your sink, and it has all these like different crevices and textures where you just wash your brushes. Again, this speeds up the brush washing process, and it makes sure that your brushes are actually super clean because it really gets in there in between all the crevices of your brushes. So this really just makes it go a little faster rather than me just rubbing it in my palm, because obviously my palm is very smooth. It doesn't have that much traction to really get in between the bristles, while this mat does. Trust me everyone, these 3 products will change your brush washing experience, and I'm proud to say that I'm very good about washing my brushes now because of these products. So they've definitely made my life that much easier, and I highly recommend them. And obviously, no, this video is not sponsored. these are just my own opinions and products that I love. Right, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. Let me know if you have tried any of these products or if you're going to try any of these products because they're amazing. But thank you all so much for watching, and I will talk to you all in a future video. Bye!